ሰላም ሰላም ውድ የኩራዝ አካዳሚ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ? እኔ ደህና ነኝ፣ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ እባካችሁ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር ያደረጋችሁ እየተሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉት ነገር ካለ ደግሞ በኮሜንት ላይ አሳውቁን። መማር የምትፈልጉ ካላችሁ ደግሞ እዚህ በምናስቀምጠው ስልካችን በቴሌግራም፣ በዋትስአፕ፣ በኢሞ እየደወላችሁ መማር ትችላላችሁ። የምናስተምረው ትምህርት አማርኛ፣ ትግርኛ፣ ኦሮምኛ፣ ሂሳብ፣ እንግሊዘኛ እንዲሁም ግዕዝ እናስተምራለን። መምጣት ስለቻልክ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድን ነው የምንለው? I'm so happy you could come.
Oh, I'm so happy you could come to our party.
Oh, I'm so happy you could come.
እኛ ሁላችንም በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። We are all excited.
Well, we are all excited to see it, aren't we, people?
I know we are all excited about Christmas and the pageant, but we have got to finish this semester's work first.
ነገ ወደዚያ ቦታ እሄዳለሁ። እንግሊዘኛ ምንድን ነው የምንለው? I'll be there tomorrow.
I will be there tomorrow night, just in time for your parents.
Okay. Please be sure that I will be there tomorrow at 4, okay?
እሺ፣ እዛ እንገናኝ። Okay, see you then.
Okay, see you then.
Okay.
በዚህ ሳምንት መጨረሻ ምን ታደርጋለህ? What are you doing this weekend?
So, what are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
እስካሁን አልወሰንኩም። I'm not sure yet.
I am not sure yet.
I am not sure yet, but I'll let you know.
ምናልባት ቤት ትሆናለች። Maybe she has gone home.
Or maybe she's gone home to bed. Maybe she's gone home.
የሚሄድበት ፓርቲ አለኝ። I've got a party to go.
I've got a party to go to and no one to take me.
ምንም ማምጣት አይጠበቅብህም። Just bring yourself.
Michelle's making her apple pie, so just bring yourself.
Just bring yourself, that's all I'll ever need. Well, that's a good enough.
መዋኛ ልብስ አላመጣሁም። I didn't bring bathing suit.
I didn't bring a bathing suit, so
Problem solved. I didn't bring a bathing suit.
እሺ፣ በጣም ጓጉቻለሁ። Sure, I can't wait.
Yeah, sure, I can't wait. Sure, I can't wait to bury my first corpse.
እርግጠኛ ነኝ በጣም ጓጉቻለሁ። I'm sure I can't wait.
I'm sure I can't wait you to tell me.
በዚህ ሁኔታ ምን ታደርጋለህ? What do you do in this situation?
What do you do in this situation?
ሌላ መንገድ በመፈለግ ላይ ነኝ። I'm trying to find another way.
But look, anyway, I went round the back trying to find another way inside. And then I heard this noise at the front.
Trying to find another way.
ይህን ማድረግ አለብን። We should do this.
We should do this immediately, in my opinion.
We should do this again.
የተሻሻልኩ ነው። እየተሻሻልኩ ነው። እየተሻሻልኩ ነው። I'm getting better and better. I'm getting better and better.
Getting better and better at it.
Every day and every way I'm getting better and better.
ደህና መሆንህን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ደህና መሆንህን ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። I hope you are well. I hope you are well.
I hope you're well now.
Mr. Graney, I hope you're well this evening.
ሰርጌ ላይ ተጋብዘሃል። ሰርጌ ላይ ተጋብዘሃል። You are invited to my wedding. You are invited to my wedding.
Wong, you're invited to my wedding.
Don't bloody think you're invited to my wedding.
የሚበላ ነገር አመጣልሃለሁ። የሚበላ ነገር አመጣልሃለሁ። I will bring you something to eat. I will bring you something to eat.
I'll bring you something to eat if you like it.
I'll bring you something to eat.
ዘና እንላለን። ዘና እንላለን። ዘና እንላለን። We will have fun. We will have fun.
It will be amazing and we will have fun.
Yes, we will have fun in the chorus together, but I was cast as a tree, Libby.
ፓርቲ ላይ ልጋብዝህ እፈልጋለሁ። ፓርቲ ላይ ልጋብዝህ እፈልጋለሁ። ፓርቲ ላይ ልጋብዝህ እፈልጋለሁ። I want to invite you to party. I want to invite you to a party.
I know we've just met, but I want to invite you to a party tomorrow night at my royal pavilion.
Anyway, I want to invite you to a party over at our house.
ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው። ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው። ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው። That sounds fun. That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
ቦታው የት ነው? ቦታው የት ነው? Where will it be? Where will it be?
Where will it be in 2 months? Where will it be?
ምን ላምጣ? ምን ላምጣ? ወይ ምን ይዤ ልምጣ? ምን ላምጣ? What should I bring? What should I bring?
What should I bring?
What should I bring over?
What should I bring?
ጓደኛዬን ላስተዋውቅ እፈልጋለሁ። ጓደኛዬን ላስተዋውቅ እፈልጋለሁ። ጓደኛዬን ላስተዋውቅ እፈልጋለሁ። I want you to meet my friend. I want you to meet my friend.
I want you to meet my friend Carlo.
Elma, I want you to meet my friend Willem.
ስላገኘሁ ደስ ብሎኛል። ስላገኘሁ ደስ ብሎኛል። I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you.
I'm glad to meet you too, because you are very pretty.
Well, I am glad to see you, sir.
ቤት ሁሉ ሰላም ነው? ቤት ሁሉ ሰላም ነው? How is everything at home? How is everything at home?
Which brings me to ask, how is everything at home?
How is everything at the house?
ስራህ ምንድን ነው? ስራህ ምንድን ነው? ስራህ ምንድን ነው? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
So, Troy, what do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?